if you're gonna wear sunglasses, they gotta be personalized, right?
Exactly.
Nobody wants to wear the same old boring Ray-Bans. Let's kick it up a notch and make a word up. We get these cute little letters, and then you just kind of look through them to find whatever you want to spell out.
All right.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a pipe cleaner, because pipe cleaners are super easy to thread onto. So go ahead and do that. And while you do that, I'm gonna do fun in the sun for you on the other side.
I did it, Kristen.
Perfect. Exactly.
Make sure they're all facing the same way.
Here's what we're going to do. We're going to take a little bit of a scissor snip, and we're just going to snip it. Now, this is why, again, I love the pipe cleaners, because it's not going to go anywhere, right?
Oh, yeah, it stays.
Okay, so then we're going to just put a little dollop of glue right on the end there. Take your glasses, figure out where you want to put this.
Ooh.
So you want it to go through the middle.
Yeah.
And then you can put decorations on the other side. Well, all we're going to do is put a bead of glue right across the top.
Okay.
And hot glue is one of those amazing creations. I wish I had created hot glue. Just
There,
lined up
look
here.
at that. Okay.
Okay, so that's the simple start, right? And then you can add some little
whatever I want.
tchotchkes.
I've got a whole new look.
Cute.
Yeah,
Well,
wow.
I know it's you because it says Kristen. So let's continue with a summer theme.
Yeah, let's.
Let's do a little luau.
Okay.
What do you think?
Fun.
Get a little tiki rolling. So we're going to be using one of these little corks, and we're going to turn it into these really cute little tiki necklaces.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Isn't that cute?
Super adorable.
Okay, so if you go to my website, we have a template that you can just download.
Okay.
And then you can color it.
Look at that. Color completely within the lines, which makes me super boring. Kids, don't do that. Color outside of lines all your life. Got it? Okay. Love it. Okay.
And of course, you can draw your own tikis. You're just going to tape it to the cork.
Okay.
Okay, so just tape it to the cork. Now flip it upside down here. We're going to add a little glue stick first.
Okay.
This is going to make sure that it adheres to the cork.
Now can I roll?
Now you can roll.
Ha-ha, okay.
Roll. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to take one of these very handy dandy eye bolts. And let's see, we're going to put it in the top.
Okay.
Like this. Pop
String
it
there. Yep.
Okay. Now, if you want to, so that it doesn't go sliding anywhere, you can tie this off. Or what I like to do sometimes is take one bead. And put it over both strings.
Oh, gotta have the bling. What's summer without the bling, right?
It's all about the bling. Okay.
Okay,
so
there we
now
go.
We're going to tie it off. Okay, so we'll put it on over. Okay. Now, you know what? If we're going to do this,
Ta-da!
we better have our whole summer look.
We should, yeah.
How about your glasses?
My glasses complete the look.
And my glasses. Here we go.
Whoa!
Tiki time.
Ah.